I would say that's English. As an international student, we know that's I think one of the biggest barriers, and I believe that all the students should dedicate a time to learn English effectively and have the confidence to sit on a meeting table, on an interview table, and then talking to the potential employers with confidence. What's LinkedIn? In simple words, it's a Facebook for professionals. So 8 million people use LinkedIn in Australia. So that's basically 1/3 of the whole country. So the first thing a recruiter would do when they see your resume, they would go on your LinkedIn and see what you are up to. So that's a very important statistic because, as I said before, 1/3 of the country uses LinkedIn. Why the cover letter is important in Australia? Because they want to know the person before reading your resume. So they want to get a little bit of who is the person who is applying for this job.